Hey, Melinda Haynes, license number 102308. I'm going to give you the top 4 ways you can handle a narcissistic type person or other difficult person in your life. Now, the first one is get educated. It's important to be educated on the person that you're dealing with. So if they have a certain personality disorder, if they have a certain even just interaction style, like an interpersonal kind of style or pattern that they interact with, get knowledge on this, learn about it, understand good communication skills, understand what it is that you're dealing with, because you may be up against something that's pretty tough and you want to be informed, you want to learn, you want to know what are the best tips and techniques and tricks on dealing with this kind of person or even just people in general. The second one is you want to watch your own responses, okay? Because sometimes people can really push your buttons. They maybe are irrational, they might jump to conclusions, they might do all kinds of things that, gaslighting or lying or all these different kinds of things that are going to kind of cause you to get off balance and to want to fight back and to demand that they see things, in the way that you see them and according to reality that everybody else sees. That's not going to happen, okay? So we can't just lecture people into agreeing with us. So we need to watch our own reactions. We're not going to win anybody over by, screaming and yelling or, trying to get even or do any of that kind of stuff. That's not going to work. So we need to watch our own reactions. The next one is number 3, learn some new skills. Learn some skills to either calm yourself down, to be able to walk away from the situation, to get away somehow. It might be to walk to another bedroom. It may be to get in the car and leave. It may be whatever it is, just to get yourself away from the interaction with the person so that everybody can calm down and get back to a more rational place. It also could be learning phrases to say in the heat of the moment, or when you're just kind of like, what's going on? You need to be able to have something to say instead of you're stupid or that, that doesn't make any sense or what's wrong with you. We don't want to say those kinds of things. So if we can learn new things to say and new ways to interact with this person, it's going to help the situation. It's going to help us keep our own sanity. And the fourth one is we need to engage in some kind of self-care. Now, self-care may be, going out for a run or going to the gym, or it may be meeting with a friend for a cup of coffee. It may be watching a movie, taking a bubble bath, whatever you like to do that just nourishes your soul and takes care of you, recharges your batteries. For me, I'm a super introvert. So I like self-care revolves around peace and quiet and maybe reading a book. I'm a nerd when it comes to like learning and studying. I love to do that kind of stuff, but that just recharges me. Other people are like, that's horrible. I would be totally drained if I have to, study and read. They want to go out, they're extroverts and they love the nightlife and they want to party. I'm quoting a song from the 70s, and if any of you get that, then you're old like me. So anyways, some people like to go out and do fun things with their friends. Now, you have to decide what's right for you, if you're an introvert or if you're an extrovert or if you're a little bit of a combination of both, or what's going to work for you to recharge your own batteries and engage in that self-care. So whatever that is, do that. So we're going to recap. Okay, so the first one, I've got to read it myself. The first one is to get educated on the topic. The second one is to watch your own reactions. The third one is to learn new skills. And the fourth one is self-care. So try those 4 things and see if you can implement them into your life and see if you can implement them into your relationship with a difficult person to see if that will help you keep your sanity and keep the peace. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, post them below.